Hey there, welcome to our podcast Summer Splash, where we talk about all things summer, from exciting things like traveling to different places across the world to things you can do in your own town. I'm the host Shabani, and joining me is my co host Sophia and our guest Peyton.
Hi.
Ready to escape the ordinary and embark on an unforgettable summer adventure? Tune into our podcast where we uncover hidden gems and must visit destinations that will ignite your wanderlust. Whether you're a sun seeker, thrill chaser, or culture enthusiast, we've got the perfect summer spots that promise to turn your travel dreams into a reality. Pack your bags and let's explore the world together.
Where would you travel if you had $1 million and why?
Probably either Hawaii or Texas.
Why?
Because I feel like there's more to do there, like more activities to do there than and then Texas, they have all these like rodeos and everything.
Me personally,
I love rodeos.
yeah, I never been to one.
Girl.
Me personally, I would want to travel to Punta Cana because of like the resorts and like the beaches.
Oh, Punta Cana is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Would you donate some of it or would you use all million for yourself?
I would donate it to my family, but other than that, I'll keep it on the money.
I mean, I'll keep it. I could have some fun.
Okay, I'll be honest, I would too. Because it's like my money and I would like share it if some people need it. Like,
I'll share it with my people.
yeah, but it's not like I'm gonna go do
Like,
a
I'll take
charity, be like,
let's give you like $1,000. No,
that's too
no.
much.
So
I'm
like
gonna- if I'm
no
gonna go
charities.
No, I'm gonna go somewhere.
If
and
I
I'm
had
gonna bring my
more
people.
money, then I would probably go
I
to a
feel
charity.
I feel like
I feel
1
like
million's not enough money.
No, I feel like it can go fast. Like it sounds like a
Yeah.
lot.
It can go fast if you're not like saving it. If
Yeah,
you're
I
just
feel like-
spending it really quickly, it'll go fast.
And plus,
Yeah.
we sacrifice a lot of things. So if you got $1 million, then we gotta use it properly.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like traveling to tropical places or cold places? And is there a specific reason why?
Well, I don't like hot, but I also don't like really cold.
Yeah.
So like I like the in betweens.
Like a warm breeze type of thing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I would like that.
I like tropical places because I like to get a tan.
I don't even care about the
I
tan.
don't
It's just like the
tan.
beach.
Yeah, like
I burn.
I just feel like it's more fun. Like there's just more things to do in the summer, like hotter areas than
There's more things
cold.
to do outside in the summer. Like you're not just bottled up in your house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What activities do you do when you travel? And would you stay in a 5-star hotel or would you consider staying in the lower?
I usually go to like water parks and stuff when I
Wow.
travel because
I just like them.
yeah, I just
Yeah,
I
it
just
makes
like
sense.
them.
Well, when I travel, we usually either go to like the beach or camping. So
Yeah,
Or, like,
I
hiking.
camping.
yeah.
Usually like we go on hikes.
The
and
last-
stuff. I usually go on lakes usually and like beaches. I don't really like go
Lakes
to
are
water parks
so
all the time,
pretty.
but if I can, I'll go to a water park.
we
Yeah,
have a lot at Penn Warner, so we just we go fishing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
As for the hotel, I would stay in a 5-star hotel if I had $1 million because I don't like staying in like dirty hotels. Like the sheets are probably not clean and like just
Yeah.
dirty in general.
But honestly, like personally, I don't care if I'm in a 5-star as long as the place is like well maintained, it's not dirty, the food is good and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like
As
I
long
mean,
as it's not-
food is a
as
big.
lo- yeah. As
I
long
bring
as
my
it's-
own pillows either way because I'm not sleeping on no pillows that have been there because I know they don't clean them.
As long as
Yeah.
it's kept nice, I don't care.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you can sleep in a tent, you can sleep in a low-star hotel.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, let's hear a word from our sponsors and then continue with the teacher interviews. Ready to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary this summer? At Wanderlust Travels, we're offering an exclusive 20% discount on all summer bookings. Whether you're dreaming of sun-kissed beaches, vibrant cityscapes, or serene mountainscapes, we have the perfect adventure waiting for you. Book now and let us take care of the details, ensuring a seamless journey filled with unforgettable memories. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and let's make this summer the adventure of a lifetime. Use code SUMMER20 at checkout. Visit us at www.wanderlusttravels.com or call us at 1-800-TRAVEL to start your journey today.
For this segment, we are going to be interviewing students and teachers.
Where would you travel if you had $1 million?
I would travel if I had $1 million. I would go to Ireland. That's been always a bucket list item for me.
That's cool. Would you donate some of it, or would you use all of it on yourself?
Obviously, donate it maybe to the students of Charles Bame. Some of my favorite students would definitely get $1,000 for sure.
Oh yes, okay. I think I'd be one. You know. Do you like traveling to tropical places or cold places?
Probably tropical places. I deal with a lot of coldness in Pennsylvania, so gotta
Fair.
get
So, are you a summer person?
definitely summer down the beach,
Okay.
Jersey Shore
Yeah.
for sure.
Is there a specific reason why?
Well, I always had a beach house when I was a kid, so that's just made me a beachy person to start
Lucky.
with. Very lucky.
That is lucky.
Thank you, Graham.
What activities do you do when you travel?
I like to go to museums, but if I'm going down the beach, I probably just want to be relaxing, chilling in the ocean,
Yeah.
surfing, whatever.
Do you stay in a 5-star hotel?
No, I
No.
save my money for the actual activities. I don't care. I'll sleep on the beach.
Yes.
One star motel.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Where would you travel if you had $1 million? And why?
If I had $1 million, I would travel to Italy because I went there last summer and it was amazing and it was beautiful and it was really expensive. So I would go to Italy.
That's nice. Would you donate some of it?
Yes, I would donate.
You don't
For
have
sure.
to.
No,
You
I
don't
would
have-
donate. I would donate. I would want other people if I could donate to like a
Like a
specific,
charity or like
for sure. I would donate to a charity.
Do you like traveling to tropical places or cold places?
Tropical. I'm a beach kind of person, so I like the ocean, the sun.
Is there like a reason why you like the hot more than the cold?
I just feel like the cold is like more depressing personally, and I like the summer. Being a
That's
teacher, I also like the summer, so
Yeah.
warm.
Definitely.
What activities do you do when you travel?
I'm more of a relaxing type of person, so I read. I'll do educational things too. I like to learn, but mostly like relaxing, reading, sunbathing, that
That's
kind of
nice.
stuff.
Would you stay in a 5-star hotel over like vacation or
Like in general.
yeah, in general?
Yeah, for sure. If I had the choice, I would choose a 5-star hotel. You mean like as opposed to like an Airbnb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to be like I just waited on and all that stuff. So,
Are you the type of person to steal things from the hotel bathrooms?
oh, you mean like the lotions? and
Yeah.
stuff?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
Agree.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Oh wait, it's on me.
Pulling your hair.
Okay. Okay. Where would you travel if you had $1 million?
Hawaii,
Why?
because I had $1 million
Would you donate some of it or would you use it all for yourself?
myself.
That's so mean. Exactly, but it's
At least I'm
real.
honest.
Do you like traveling to tropical places or cold places? And is there a specific reason why?
Tropical. It's nice and warm.
So I'm guessing you're not a cold person at all.
No, yeah, I like the cold too.
Okay. What activities do you do when you travel?
Skiing, fishing, hiking, mountain biking, kayaking.
In the summer?
Yeah, skiing to the winter.
Okay. Do you stay in a 5-star hotel or less?
Less. Well, if I have the $1 million, we're going 5-star. If I don't have $1 million, then oh, I thought you meant normally. Oh yeah, we're staying 5-star with the $1 million. Yeah, room
And
service.
would you steal the bathrooms, like lotions and body washes that are there?
Only the robe if it's nice. No, never. I wouldn't. You can't steal. That's not nice to steal.
Okay, thank you.
What class is this for?
Where would you travel if you had $1 million?
If I had $1 million, I would definitely travel to Australia, New Zealand, or maybe like Thailand would be really cool. I would enjoy that.
Okay. Would you donate some of it or would you use it on yourself?
Ooh. I mean, I think $1 million is a lot of money, so I probably would give at least half of it away because I don't think any one person needs that much money at one time.
Okay, fair. Do you like traveling to tropical places or cold places? And is there a reason why?
Tropical places because I'm not a big fan of like skiing or snowboarding or any of that stuff. So tropical, exploring, actually jungle too would be really cool.
Yeah.
Jungle places.
What activities do you do when you travel?
Big hiker. I love doing like zip lining, rock climbing, biking, any of the active stuff. That's fun.
Isn't it too hot in the summer for that though?
It is. You sweat a lot, and I
Yeah.
sweat. You know anything about me? I sweat nonstop.
Yeah. Would you stay in a 5-star hotel or less?
I mean, if I could afford it, sure. I'd love to stay in a
Well,
5-star
you have
hotel.
$1 million,
Then yeah,
so-
absolutely, I'd stay in a 5-star hotel.
Okay, thank you.
you.
Bye bye.
That's all the time we have today. Join us next time for another interesting episode about our favorite season of all, summer. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.